Hey there, thanks for checking out my Profit Enigma review. This is the latest product launch on Warrior Plus. It's releasing on Thursday, November 19th. And what it claims to be is 12 tools in one. So the promise of this application is that it's a cloud-based application, as you see here, and that it allows you to create and sell different types of products and services. So that's the promise of how it helps you make money online. So stick around and watch the entire video, and I will show you the ins and outs. I'll give you a live demo and walk you through the entire product. I'll let you know what you need to know before you actually buy this. What are some of the pros of this particular type of software, and what are the cons that you need to look out for? Hey there again, it's Kim Wolf with AffiliateMarketingInformant.com. I'm here to help inform you of everything you need to know and want to know about affiliate marketing. If this review video helps you out, definitely give it a like, thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment below and let me know where you are in your affiliate marketing journey. Definitely let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. So as mentioned in the beginning of this review video, this is a set of tools that you can use to either use for your own online business and your own personal use, or you can actually use them to resell services to other people to make money that way as well. So we're on the Profit Enigma dashboard here. This is how you access all of these tools. The 12 tools that you're going to be able to access if you buy this product is going to be a voiceover podcast creator. This actually allows you to put text in and it creates a voiceover for you, which you can use in many different ways. You can use for a podcast. You can actually resell that voiceover service for other people that are hiring that service. So a lot of people do that. They want a nice professional voiceover. So they will actually post jobs on freelancer.com and Fiverr actually looking for people to help with voiceovers. The idea is you can use this software to actually do that. There's a video maker tool that actually allows you to make video makers. There's a video wizard tool, ebook creator, article creator, SEO report creator, backlink creator, keyword research tool, graphic design tool, site creator, WordPress tools, and the buyer scout. So 11 of these tools are actually tools that you're going to use to create something and produce something for yourself or other people. The buyer scout tool is actually a tool where you go and find jobs to actually do these services for other people. So I'm actually going to go inside each one of these so you can see how it works. So this is the voiceover creator tool. This is where you can actually input text. You can choose from the various languages here, and then you can generate an auto script. Let me show you how it works. So I've actually come to my blog, AffiliateMarketingInformant.com. So I'm just going to copy some of this text from this article and use it for the voiceover. So I'm going to paste it into the voiceover creator tool. I'm going to choose the language. As you can see here, there are different types of English, everything from English, India, Australia, UK, US. For me personally, I'm in the US, so I'm going to choose that. And then what you're going to see is a drop down of different voices that will speak in this particular language. You can actually come through here and click on this little button to hear the samples of each voice.
This is a sample audio text.
This is a sample audio text. This is a sample audio text.
This is a sample audio text.
When you found the voice that you like, you come over here and choose this little dot, which makes it blue. That means it's going to be selected. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Generate Audio. This is actually going to create the audio file, the audio voiceover with the text that I just put in there, and then I can actually listen to it. So the way you're actually going to use this, though, is you want to download it to your computer. Come over here to the three dots, choose Download, and it's actually going to download on my computer. I'm going to open it up and actually play it for you.
10 most frequently asked questions and answers. Are you here because you want to know if affiliate marketing is for beginners? Do you want to know how it works? And how long does it take? Well, if you said yes to any of these questions, welcome to your FAQ guide.
And that's how easy it was to create a voiceover and a male voice. You could obviously come through here and choose different female voices. And as you saw earlier, you have the different languages to choose from as well. So now we're back on the main dashboard with all the tool sets. Let's go into the video maker. So the video maker is going to be basically a slideshow. Just keep that in mind. It's actually not live videos, but it is pretty cool. Some of the neat features are that you do not have to find the images yourself or upload them to your computer. You can actually use some free image services out there. This particular software taps into that. Let me show you what I mean. So carrying on the same thing, I'm going to use the same text that I just used for the voiceover. Okay, so I've given it a title here. I'm going to choose Upload Image. I'm going to type in affiliate marketing and see what happens. We may need to go back to make money online. And here we go. So we've got a couple images here. We'll choose this one. We'll select it. And you want to put in some text here. I'm going to copy and paste. One thing I've noticed is that there seems to be a text character limit here. This sentence is actually longer than this. It's probably a good 30 to 40 words, but it's only showing about almost 10 of them here. So there is a character limit, so you need to keep these short and sweet. Obviously it makes sense. It's an overlay on the image. We'll just say want to begin now to keep it simple. You can see here you've got formatting options. You can change the font size, the colors, etc. Just going to move this out of the way for a minute. We're going to add slide. So you just keep doing this to add slide over slide over slide. Choose another image here. Say something like, how much money would you love to make? Then she's rolling the money. And you keep clicking this button and add slide over slide. But let's go ahead and process this and see what we get. So you can add audio file to this. For this exercise, I'm not going to, but you could essentially use the audio voiceover you just created, or you can simply just have music and no audio if you want as well. All right, then we're going to click generate video. This is one of the things you need to be aware of before you buy. It is going to take time to process these videos. So you even see here, you've got a message that it says it'll take a few hours and it will show up on your My Videos page. And that's going to be here. I'm going to choose on My Videos list, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that are previously created. It looks like mine says it's available to download, so let's try it out. And you can see here, this is what it looked like. It just had the images with an overlay. Obviously, there's no voiceover on it, but this should actually change in a minute and go to the next slide. There you go. Back to the dashboard. Let's look at the video wizard. So this is actually pretty interesting. This allows you to make a quick video from any URL. So any web page, any content page, whether you own it on your site or whether it's somebody else's site. So let me show you what I mean. I'm back on my site. I'm going to copy this URL from my site here and paste that into here. Choose click. So it is going to take a minute. Just once again, just be aware of the processing time that it takes. So after waiting a couple of minutes, I actually get this error code, so that's not a good sign. So let me try this again. So after a few tries, still not working, it gives me this error code, which means it's timing out, so it's not able to process the information. Not sure what that's about. Unfortunately, there's not any instructions or information on that. I would have to reach out to support to figure out what the issue is. So I'm back on the dashboard. This is going to be the ebook creator tool. This is actually a pretty handy tool. If you have purchased any other ebook creator tools before, they could start at $27 and go up from there. So here's how the ebook creator works. You have a few options where you can create an ebook from URL. You can choose from a done for you ebook, which actually provides you content and a cover. It's pretty easy. Or you can just create it completely manually as you see here. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to try to see if the URL option will work. That'll be the easiest thing to do. I'm going to click the URL option. I'm going to paste how to create an ebook cover for affiliate marketing. And it's asking me to choose an ebook cover. So I've chosen an image from my desktop here. I'm going to choose generate ebook. And let's see what we get. So obviously not the best image. We'll definitely need to fix that. But as you can see here, it did pull the entire article from the blog post, all the images and everything. So that's pretty easy. When you've given this ebook a thumbs up and you're ready to use it, you simply just come here and do a file save as. Save it on your desktop as a PDF and you're good to go. You can use it however you want. So I'm back in the ebook creator tool and I want to show you the done for you book option, which is also a really neat option. This is really, really handy. So you can see here that these are already done for you. They have nice covers on them. You can click here and you can preview any of the books, professionally done. So you just come to the category you want. Since I've been doing a theme around affiliate marketing, let's choose this reoccurring income strategies. Let's preview it, see what it looks like. Cover is really nice once again. Got a nice table of content. It talks about reoccurring revenue streams, membership programs, software products, etc. Come through here, give it a read, make sure it's quality for you. When you give it a thumbs up as well, just come here and choose download PDF. And you're going to enter in a URL and author name. This is actually going to be published in your ebook, so it's pretty cool. Choose field to display, author name, choose display option. You can choose where to actually put it. I'm just going to say on the first page, and we're going to generate the ebook. So here it is. Here is my author name, Kim Wolf. You've got an error here, so you want to watch out for that. Error bookmark not defined. But otherwise, it's a pretty handy little ebook that I didn't have to do anything for. I just chose from a pre-existing template. Same scenario here. Once again, you're just going to come here and just do a file save as to save this to your desktop and use this however you want. So that was the ebook creator tool. Pretty cool. So now let's look at the article creator tool. So this allows you to spin content. The idea is that you can take content from PLR, private label rights document, put it in here and spin it. You could take content from a blog post or an article, put it in here and spin it. The spinning will actually take the content and reword it and rearrange it to make it different so that you can reuse it and repurpose it however. You do want to be careful with spinners. They're not always great. They don't always produce high quality spins. So let's see what this one does. So I've just copied and pasted some content from my website into here just to make it quick and easy. I'm going to come here and clean up a couple of lines. It's actually giving me grammar corrections here. That's great. And I'm going to hit spin. And you're going to see here how it actually, repurposed the format and I guess changed it a little bit. So I can copy content, paste it somewhere, I can download it as a PDF, and I can start over again. In all honesty, this is probably going to be one of the lesser tools that you should use, typically just because it's questionable what the quality of this content is. And when you're putting out any type of content, you do want to make sure it's quality and it's helpful. That's the only way you're going to succeed in affiliate marketing and online marketing in general. So here is another way you can use this tool to create content. You're actually going to leverage a database of pre-created content, kind of like what you saw with the ebooks. I'm going to come here and choose a category of internet and businesses online. And then you see here you have additional sort of categories you can check. I'm going to choose those and I'm going to just say search category. So it's thinking, and what's going to happen is it's actually going to return back some content pieces already created for me around this particular topic. So you're going to give it a minute. As you can see, it's processing. Scroll down here, and these are already sort of done for you content. Pro tips for launching your own web directory and GIF. 5 things you need to earn money online successfully. So that's pretty cool. We're going to choose that, and we're going to save results. And what happens is it's actually saved it into the import result tab, which is the 3rd tab here. So all of those articles are going to be here, and it should be down here somewhere. And this is where you can delete these or you can download onto your desktop. Once again, choose an image for the actual PDF logo to be appended to the file and then download it. So we're back to the dashboard again, and we still have, looks like 7 more tools to go. We've only covered 5 out of the 12 tools. So you can see there's already a lot here. It's not perfect. The software is absolutely not perfect. We've seen some glitches so far. Overall, it's being released at $17. It's probably going to go up to around $27 or more. It is an actual decent price for all the tools you're seeing so far, especially some of the tools we've covered, such like the ebook creator and the voiceover podcaster. Those are pretty interesting and typically can be high cost for tools in that arena alone. All right, so now we're going to check out the SEO report creator. So once again, I mentioned this allows you to create services that you can resell. So the idea on a SEO report is that you could turn around and offer to help local businesses and companies online with their websites and their SEO and their rankings. So you can help them optimize their content for searches in Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc., and the search engines. And this is a great way to actually get in front of those customers, let them know what you're talking about. So the idea is you can come here and you can put in any address. I am going to do my site. And it's going to review and it's going to crank back an SEO report, basically analyzing the SEO performance of my site. And it's going to give me some recommendations of how to fix it. So you can see here it's working. I'm going to give it a minute. So this report took a couple of minutes, but it is finished now. If I come down here, I can see I have a score of 66. So it tells me the good, the sort of the bad, and the really ugly. So I definitely have some errors on the report. Let's come down here and see what's happening. So I have some interesting warnings here. So these are the issues that are contributing to my score. It's not picking up any backlinks, which actually that's not correct. I definitely do have some backlinks to this website and so on and so on. So you can see it's a pretty extensive report. The idea is that you would put any URL into this report creator, and it will create a report that you can go to that business and say, hey, this is the report I just run for your SEO and your website. Here are some of the issues in the report, and if you're interested in getting them fixed, this is how I can help you out. I can help you fix and solve these problems and get your score to 100. That is a very service-oriented offering, so if you're not interested in that, then you likely wouldn't use this tool. One thing I just want to make sure I highlight is that you do have options to download the report. You can compare with other sites, and you can also share it really easily. So this is really easily to distribute to others. So back on the dashboard, the next tool we're going to cover is the Backlink Creator. So this is a tool that I'm not a real big fan of. I don't actually trust a lot of backlink makers, so I am not going to put my website domain in here. What I am going to do is put someone else's domain in here. We'll just try this and hit submit, just so you can see how this works. So the idea is that you put in the domain name and it goes and actually adds your domain to these different sites. The promise is these sites can actually help you with rankings and backlinks because they have authority. The promise is actually pretty questionable, usually in the cases of online marketing and search engine optimization, SEO. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. And if you hack your way through it, you're probably going to get penalized at some point. So give me some time and I will actually do some more research on this, and I will create a video about these backlinker tools and do some more research to figure out if they're really valid or not. So you can see here this backlink tool has created all of these backlinks. So it says all of these are successes, and you can go up here and actually generate a PDF and download all of the links as well, so you can go check them. So it's actually still processing, so you can see that it creates a lot of different links for you at one time. Okay, back on the dashboard, moving right along, let's look at the keyword research tool. So this is a tool that actually helps you find keywords. If you've been doing affiliate marketing or online marketing for any length of time, you've probably heard of plenty of keyword tools. There's tons of them out there, some free versions, paid versions, etc. So this is pretty interesting that it has the tool inside Profit Enigma. So the results here you can see from affiliate marketing is all of these additional keywords. Now, the one thing that's missing here is the competition and the actual search numbers. That definitely has an influence on which keywords you want to target and which keywords you don't. Obviously, if the keyword has no traffic and it's really competitive, it's not going to bring you any traffic, so you typically do not want to go after that. You're looking for keywords that have a good amount of traffic and have low competition, so they just haven't been discovered yet. Those are the ones that will typically generate you the most traffic in the long run. So all in all, this is okay, but this is not a real usable feature, in my opinion, for doing real SEO research that you need to do if you're going to have an affiliate marketing website. Now we're going to look at the graphic design tool. Click in here. So this is a tool that actually lets you make quick cover photos for your social media channels. You could make quick images for your blog posts if you want. This tool is not meant to replace programs like Adobe Photoshop and even Illustrator. Those are very robust image creation software. But the idea, once again, is that you have all these tools in one place to help you do the variety of needs to not only use these for your own services, but you could create simple social media images and graphics and use these for your clients. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's pretty easy. We're going to use the same here. Just choose it. And you can come here and choose add text. We'll just say, where do you want to be in 1 year? And I'm going to drag it here. So you have some options where you can change the font, change the color to see the text style. I was actually looking for the text size. See if I can select it. Okay, so you can click and drag to do the text size. And let's move this down here. And you do have other options here where you can add stickers if you wanted. You can add different sort of images. So that's pretty interesting. So you can see, I mean, it's pretty simple, but you can do a lot of things. So that's kind of interesting. You almost can't tell that that's not real. Hit apply, and you have a lot of other options here to do a variety of things around image editing. So really not that bad. When you're done with the image, you just hit save, it downloads on a computer, and you can actually upload it wherever you want. So pretty cool, actually pretty easy to use, works okay. Okay, so now we're going to look at the site creator. So this is actually a really interesting tool. This is one that you would probably use more often than not. The idea here is that you actually log into a separate software product that is attached to this, and it allows you to create easy, simple website pages. Now, granted, the one thing you need to know about this, it does not actually host the pages for you. You are responsible for that. It will allow you to easily create these pages and download them in a package of HTML and the components you need and upload them to your web server. So you will need to know how to do that. If you don't, there are plenty of instructions out there. Your web hosting will have videos and training around that. It's a really, really common practice. So let me show you how it works. So I've logged in and now I'm ready to try this out. I'm going to come over here and click New Project. So you can see all of the different templates here ready to go. Let's choose the Stanley, and we're going to call it Affiliate Marketing Informant.com. Choose Create. And it's essentially a website builder. So the cool thing about it is it provides you the templates. This is a simple mini website that I could upload on any domain, anywhere on the website, wherever I pay for hosting. And I didn't have to do a lot of work. So honestly, personally, I use Thrive Architect and Thrive Themes for my landing pages. It's built into my WordPress website, but this gives you an option around that. Now, granted, once again, you still have to have your own hosting, so you still have to upload this somewhere. This does not provide the hosting for you. Hosting is not included in this tool. That is extra cost. But if you already have a website in the server, then you're going to be good to go. You can probably launch as many websites as you want. If not, you can always easily buy that. If you have any questions on that, definitely ask me below and I'll either make you a video or I'll send you some personal recommendations. So the idea is you can come here and you can change all of these images. You can change the different components. You can see here you have so many different options. I can add in different components really easy with the drag and drops. Change the padding, change the margins, add the elements. So if you've used other website and landing pages tools like Elementor, you're probably going to notice some similarities. I can add things like nav bars. This actually allows you to navigate. And as you can see, pretty easy to use. So let's go into one of these test sites and see what it looks like. Once you've customized it the way you want, you can actually choose this preview button, and this will actually show you a preview of what the site looks like. Come down here, I added some things and messed things up. But you can see all of this is easily interchangeable. You can place whatever you want. You will put your own text in here and make this whatever you want. But how easy was that? It automatically creates these pages and these links for you. And the idea with this is that you can create these really easily and quickly. And once again, you can resell these to customers, create them a really cool, good looking website, give them to upload for hosting, or you can actually manage the hosting for them and charge them anywhere from $1,500 or more a month just to manage their website for them. All right, so now we're down to the last two tools. This last set is going to be the WordPress tools. So these are going to be plugins that you can actually install on WordPress websites. I personally have not tried these, but I think these are pretty interesting. With the front end offer with the commercial rights, as long as you get the commercial license rights, you can actually charge customers a cost for them to use these modules onto the site or for you to put these modules on their site. But the modules are the auto content, auto traffic, and SEO site booster. So the idea is that it'll help you import content, help you generate traffic, and boost your SEO for the site. Back into the dashboard one last time. So now we've gone through all of the 11 different tools that are in for you to create products and services for other people. Now this last one, number 12, is called the Buyer Scout. This tool actually allows you to go find jobs to actually pitch and present and try to do the services for. So let me show you how it works. We're going to type in a keyword like SEO. We're going to choose which job portal we want to look at. So you can see you've got options from Upwork, Freelancer, GoLance, and People Per Hour. These are websites where people go and actually place job requests on there when they need services. And then people, freelancers like you, can go on there and apply for the job and try to do the gig for them or do the job for them for a fee. So let's choose Upwork and we'll hit submit. And unfortunately, this tool is not working. From the demo, it actually looks pretty cool. It's supposed to go pull in the jobs from these different job portal sources and allow you to find jobs that you can actually offer these services for. It is not working. Now, granted, this is a demo account for the launch, so hopefully the real version would actually be working. But as you've seen throughout the platform, there have been some glitches here and there. It's not perfect. What else can you expect for $17? So don't set your hopes up super high. And with those issues, that is something you need to keep in mind. Now, let me just show you a couple more things. You are going to have additional options to unlock Pro and Enterprise. These are going to be upsells that you will be offered if you decide to buy the front end offer. There are going to be a total of 5 additional upsells that you will be presented with when and after you buy the front end offer for $17. That is the launch price. Just know that's going to go up after launch. If you were to buy all of the upsells, your total cost would be $384.96. Personally, I don't think you need all of these. I would honestly just start out with the $17. If you're looking to actually resell these services, you may consider some of these first couple of upsells like the Pro and Enterprise editions. They're going to give you more features, more templates, more bells and whistles for you to have a more robust solution to actually provide services for other customers and businesses. There are 2 more things I want to show you. So this is Mike McKay. He is one of the product launchers behind Profit Enigma. He and a couple of other partners have released other products with similar names. You've got Profit Meet, Profit Host, Agency Press, Profit Drive, so on and so on. These are past product launches that they have also released. What I want you to notice here are the ratings. You can see how many they've sold of each product, what the price was, and you can see how many people have actually given reviewed. The thing I actually want you to see here is that in the reviews, so for this one, 29 reviews out of 3,000 more sales, it gets about a 2.5 star. Profit Host is another product. Out of 254 reviews, it gets a 2-star, and you kind of see a similar pattern going through all of these products below. So on average, people rate these types of products around 2, 2.5, 3-star. So it's not a great rating. So just be aware of that before you buy. So the second thing I want to show you are the comment on one of the previous products released by Mike McKay and his partners. The product was called Profit Meet. You saw it on Warrior Plus. This is a video from a friend of mine. We're in the same community. He's an honest marketer just like I am, so I trust his judgment. He actually reviewed Profit Meet and gave an honest review of it. If you scroll down here to his comments, you'll see a couple of people commenting about how they actually started having issues with Profit Host, which is another product by the same product launchers, and that the support with these was less than adequate. One guy was actually trying to request a refund here, and he wasn't sure that he was going to be able to get it, and he wasn't going to be buying any more products from these guys. So as you can see, the product itself has a lot of promise. There's some quality issues there, so don't expect too much if you get this. And honestly, if you're going to buy this, this has a potential to be a shiny object syndrome product, simply because if you don't use it, then you waste your money on it. So only buy this product if you are ready to start marketing these services to other people, or you are really going to use all of these tools for your own business. So just be aware that people have had issues with these products before. And that concludes my Profit Enigma review. Hope this video helps you out. If it does, definitely don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below, tell me where you are in your affiliate marketing journey. And if you're interested in actually learning how to find success online with affiliate marketing, definitely check out the training below. Hands down, the best free starter training you'll find on the internet yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.